technically could stop it. And I already got the team who would help me. Oh! Oh!
Hit a tire, hit a tire. Hit a tire, hit a tire.
Good, how are you?
Yeah, you do understand it's a sidewalk, right?
You know it's against the law to ride on the sidewalk in the entire state of Georgia?
Yeah, but you ride in the middle of the street, impeding the traffic.
I would love for you to call your boss.
Mm-hmm.
It is against the law for anyone over the age of 12 to ride a bike on the sidewalk in the entire state of Georgia.
Okay.
I'd expect you to know that.
Okay.
3 feet law, car has to stay within 3 feet away from me. Why is there a
It's
3?
it's not a bike lane, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
You don't have to have a bike lane. Man, I'm in all due respect, sir, you need to learn the law. Bikes' place is on the road. The fact that you pulled me over really angers me. I have broke no law.
I understand.
I am obeying the law. Anybody gets within 3 feet of me, you're supposed to arrest. Not me.
I'm supposed to arrest somebody for
getting within, it's the 3 foot law.
No, nobody was within 3 feet of you.
No, what I'm saying is you don't even know that a bike's supposed to be on the road.
No, what I'm trying to tell you is you're slowing down the traffic.
It's not against the law.
So
there's no minimum speed on this road. The only road that there's a minimum speed on, the sign is posted. And it's 30 miles per hour less than the maximum speed. There is no law against going too slow on a road anywhere in Georgia.
Okay.
The fact that you pulled me over, I want your D. Davis.
Yes,
I'm gonna contact your boss.
Okay, that's fine.
Tell him that you should not be back out here until somebody has given you an education on Georgia state law. Why am I being pulled over? What law? What law? What law did I break?
Oh, I'm obsessed with the way your head is laying on my chest. How you love the things I hate about myself that no one knows, but with you. Again.
Jesus Christ, the truck almost ran us off the road.
Oh, I'm a mess when I overthink the little things in my. You seem to always help me catch my
2845415. Jesus Christ.
Why would he
I didn't even know he was trying to run me off the.
Why?
No idea. Jesus.
Did that.
I don't know. I tried to pass him, and well, first of all, I passed him in the left and ran. 2845415.